T-minus 10. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Lift off the Antares NG-19 launch vehicle from the Laurel Clark facility.
Antares taking Northrop Grumman's commercial resupply mission 19 into orbit to the International Space Station.
The now passing through max Q.
Max Q is the maximum dynamic pressure experienced on Antares.
Remains nominal. And we have main engine cutoff. Ellis is taking care of business. We have stage separation.
Switching to animation with confirmed stage separation as we lose Antares into the clouds on this hazy evening.
Stage 2 ignition expected in approximately 10 seconds. Fairing is separated.
Antares currently in a coast phase.
Stage 2 ignition and TBC battery is nominal.
Second stage solid rocket motor has ignited.
I'm beginning to see tail off in motor pressure, and we have stage 2 burnout.
6 minutes 55 seconds into the flight, the second stage solid rocket motor has burned out.
And we have payload separation.
And the flight control teams confirm the visuals you're seeing here on the animation. Cygnus has separated from the Antares second stage, flying free and beginning its journey to the International Space Station.
confirmation at 8:28 a.m. Eastern Time, 7:28 a.m. Central Time. The Cygnus spacecraft has been successfully installed to the International Space Station. NASA astronauts Woody Hoberg and Frank Rubio were on tap today to capture the spacecraft using the station's robotic arm. After that, teams here in Mission Control took over to maneuver the spacecraft to its installation site, pushed it into the common berthing mechanism, and then engaged a series of latches and bolts to secure it to the International Space Station.